Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment, close running Python terminals, and open Vscode. Once done, use the command palette to list interpreters so you know which distribution is active. You should back up workspace and user settings. JSON now, this preserves launch configurations and paths. Make sure to note virtualenv or conda names. These determine what to uninstall. Next, open the Extensions view and identify Python-related extensions to disable later. This prevents auto-reinstalls or conflicts when you remove Python. You now unregister interpreters in Vscode so the editor stops referencing removed installations. First, disable the Python and Pylance extensions and reload the window to clear caches. Then edit settings, JSON and workspace, Vscode files to remove Python path or interpreter path entries. This prevents automatic detection. After that, delete any virtualenv folders in your project or remove conda environments if they were created for this workspace. Make sure to close all integrated terminals you complete the process by uninstalling Python using your operating system method. On Windows, use add or remove programs. On Mac OS, remove frameworks or homebrew packages. On Linux, use apt, yum, or dnf. Once removed, edit environment variables to delete path entries that reference Python. Then verify in a new terminal that Python or Python 3 returns not found or an error. If something goes wrong, reinstall the same version temporarily. Repeat the cleanup for settings and paths, then uninstall again and restart Vscode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.